Okay, go ahead.
So this is the Wilton ATV vise. It's designed to either be mounted on your bench using that device, or you can take the same pin and come over to your truck and put it in the receiver hitch and use it there. Let's go do that now. So now we're putting the Wilton ATV vise in the receiver hitch of the truck for further use. Got this strut that just needs to be cut, so we'll do that. See, it's pretty sturdy as the suspension on the truck. This is Milwaukee's cordless portable bandsaw. It's the fuel version, so it's brushless. Let's give it a shot. It's got a new blade on it, so the first cut is going to be, I'm going to hold about 2/3 of the weight off the blade so it can condition itself, and let's give it a shot. You want to make sure that the shoe is all the way against your cutting surface and start to cut off the metal and then move down onto it. Now let's try another one with the saw doing what it can. As you see, it cuts pretty quick.
Oh my God, that was so cool.